So how do you form an embouchure?
I try and keep it simple. I put both of my corners down into the side, I keep my chin facing down, and then I close my lips like I'm saying the word and then if I just need to test it, I'll hold a small pencil out straight in front of me, and then I put the mouthpiece right over where my two lips meet.
Mm-hmm.
And that's it.
Great.
So Ari, how do you hold the trumpet?
Okay, so you take your left hand and you hold it around the valve casing like this. And then you take your right hand, fingers 1, 2, and 3 for the valves on top, curve your fingers, and then your thumb should go underneath the lead pipe just like that. And there can be little variations with this, but this is more or less universal for all trumpet players. Okay, Matt, so when you're teaching a young student, how do you describe the difference between tonguing and slurring?
That's a very good question. Tonguing and slurring are very close to the same thing, but when you tongue a note, you want to start with the tip of your tongue going and when you slur, you don't have to do that for every note, only the first one, and then connect all the notes with just your air, so it ends up sounding like this. And that's it.